And if you look at the societies which are prosperous now in the world, it is exactly through that, through production of goods and services and selling them. So this is the fundamental starting point. To answer the question, where does prosperity come from? Does it come from begging? Can you be prosperous by begging other countries? Our answer is no. You can only be prosperous if your people, your citizens, or when the government creates an atmosphere where the people produce goods and services and sell them. So we give